have we have a MacBook Air. It's an 11 inches, A1465. It says dead. So let's quickly, as usual, we want to take out the back cover to get an idea what the issue is before we connect power to the device. Okay, the back cover is out. This is a 2015. The 11 inches was the last one made was in 2015. That was when it was discontinued. Okay, so it says it's dead, which is no power. Back cover is out. We don't see any sign of a liquid ingress, so we can plug charger to it. Okay, let's connect our charger. Charger is connected. We have LED, which confirms we have PPDC in voltage, and we also have PP3V42, but we do not have a fan spin. Let's disconnect the charger, disconnect the battery, and then try again. We have charger voltage, we have PPDC in, we have charger communication, and then by the way, from 2011's, from 2011's, when you connect the charger to your Mac, the device will start by itself. So we don't have to press on the power button for this to start. It should automatically, the fan should automatically spin, especially with the battery disconnected. So the way that is going to be, it's say for example the device, let's say I power on the device and then I connect my battery and then I shut the device down. When I disconnect the battery afterwards, with power still on when it shuts down, and then I connect the battery, then I connect my charger, the device will not start until I power it on. But if there is no battery, or if the device doesn't detect the press, it doesn't say for example there's battery but the battery is completely gone, uh, then when you connect your charger, then the device will start by itself. So generally, without the battery being connected, the charger is plugged, the device will start automatically. But then when the device starts and then you connect your battery and then you shut it down using the power button, and then disconnect your charger and then connect the charger again, because the battery is there, the device is not going to start by itself. You have to power on the device. Okay, so that said, we are going to quickly see what we have on our multimeter. We are not going to measure for PP3V42 because we see that we have communication on our charger. Let us open the board view for this. So this is going to be an 820-00024, no, 624. It is 820-00624. Let's say I feel like I'm missing that number out. So it's 820-006. No, it's not 244. No, 244 will be 12 inches. No, 00164. Okay, yeah, that's it. That's our board, 164. Okay, so that's our board. So now that we have we confirmed that we have PP3V42, let us see what we have on our PP bus that you can confirm at F7140, and that is going to be this guy here, F7140. Let's see what we have. We have 8.6. Okay, that's good. And then on the other side we have 8.56. Okay, that is fine. Let's see, is the device partially starting? Let's check on no, not that inductor. Let's see, not you. Okay, yeah, let's see, let's measure at L7520. Voltage there will suggest that the device is partially starting, which means the device is in SO state. Do we have voltage there? Yes. So this means that this device is partially in SO state, but for some reason, the board is, we are not getting a fine spin. Let's quickly take the board out and find out. And that is most likely going to be a secondary rail, not a primary rail, because all of the primary rail needs to be available and present in order for you to have the device to transition into SO, which is on state. And currently we see that we have an SO rail present, which means that the primary rails are complete. The issue we will have is going to be on the secondary rail. So let's quickly take our board out and find out what that issue is. If this was a 13 inches, we wouldn't have to take out the Wi-Fi card, but we're taking out the Wi-Fi card because we have the screw under the Wi-Fi card on the 3911 inches. Okay, our board is out. Split the shell on the side and then do a visual inspection on the board. Let's also dust the board and then go over the board from right to left, see if we pick up anything. Okay, so we pick up issue at, is that our RAM regulator IC? Let's see, that is the, what is that? So that is U7600, and that is our, yeah, that is our 1.5 volt line. So that we have an issue on that, and that's because of the corrosion that you see there. So that it's that seemed to our primary culprit. Here we have a bit of corrosion, but that's really not going to be our issue. So that is definitely going to be our issue. So what you want to do is we want to, okay, let's quickly replace that and see what happens afterwards. Okay, that's out. So let's clean the pads. Okay, so we're not just going to replace that. We also see we've got issue here. That resistor, let's see, is that pad still okay? Okay, that looks good. Okay, that looks good. Okay, that looks good. Okay, let's get our board. Okay, and that resistor also was moved in the process. Let's also replace that. Okay, now let's use a soldering iron to finish the work. Okay, let's give it a bit of a press down. Okay, that seems fine. Just a little bit. Okay. And also, I see we have a bit of a corroded component here. Let's see what that component is. Let's see what that component is. What does it do? So that is U8050. That's important. And it seems that pin 2 of that chip, so that is supposed to generate 3.3 volt. See if that's present. Alhamdulillah. Let's see if that is present. If not, we'll have to replace it. Okay, so first and first, we want to have our fan disconnected. As you guys know, we like to have our fan disconnected, especially when we are working on no power. We don't want to, suffer that anticipation of fan spin. We want the multimeter to do the telling for us. PPT is present, PP3442 is present. Do we still have SO? Yes, we still do. Okay, now let's see. We did replace the component that we replaced, U7500. Do we have 1.5 volt now? Let's see, do we have 1.5 volt? And also, no, is that what we replaced? No. No. No, we didn't. It's U7600. Yeah, U7600. Let's see. Pin 2. Let's see what we have on pin 2. We can measure that at the cap here. So let's see. Pin 2, what do we have? 1.0. That's good. Okay, now let's see what we have. Do we have 3.3 volt here? Let's see, do we have 3.3 volts there? Otherwise, we may have to replace U8050. Yeah, we have 0 volt. Okay, we have to replace that. So I suppose at this moment we should have a spinning fan, but let's see. We should have a spinning fan at this moment. We have a spinning fan. No spinning fan. Okay, fine. Let's replace U8050. U8050. Okay, that definitely looks bad. Mm. Okay, let's see. Do we have continuity to? Okay, first and first, let's add let's add solder pads. Let's add solder to those pads. Okay, now let's see. Do we have continuity for our 3.35 volt? Let's see. Let's switch to continuity mode. And tell me we have a broken pad. Okay, we have our broken pad. Okay, we have a broken pad. 3.3 volt is not making its way. 3.3 volt is not going to make its way to it. Okay, let's try to scratch a little bit more. Our pad is broken. Let's see, do we have 3.3 volt nearby? Let's see, to do this and that. We still don't. Okay, we have to run a wire to that. Okay, we have to run a wire. Alright, what am I doing? Why am I checking here? That's not what I'm supposed to check. I'm supposed to check for continuity here, not here. And Peter, you're just looking at me struggling. So we have continuity nearby. Yeah, we also have continuity there. We have continuity there, Peter. That's That's enough. We can work with that. Okay, so we were measuring at the wrong. So we're basically going to R5480 instead of measuring at use 8070. Okay, let's see what. Let's replace that. Uh, that flew away. We can find it. Yes, we did. Nah, that's the one that got burnt. Uh, okay, yes. There you go. Orientation important. Pin 1 has to be up. Okay, that's installed. Peter, please, I hope you fix this tomorrow, eh? It's really. So usually what we do is just put double sided at the bottom and then we stick it. It's just that what's there, it's now one. Okay, so let's see if we have 3.3 volt there now. But yeah, as you guys know, we want to disconnect the fan. We don't want to suffer the anxiety of expecting the fan spin. Okay, let's confirm we have PPDC in. Switch to voltage mode. PPDC in. We have PPDC in. Yes, we do. PP3, PP42. Yes, we do. PP bus. Yes, we do. Do we have starting voltage? Yes, we do. Okay, do we have 3.3 volt? We hope we do. 3.3 volts. Okay, we get in 1 point something volt. Okay, let's see. Do we have 3.3 input? Yes, we do. Enable signal for that. Uh, Enable signal. Let's see if that is present. And we don't have the enable signal. What is that? SMC sensor power enable. Okay. Okay. Right now, let's see if we have. Okay. That's not something we should worry about. I think. 5 volt. Let's see if we have a fan spin. Almost seems like we will have a fan spin now. Let's see, do we have fan spin? You shouldn't have a fan spin. Why do we not have a fan spin still? Let's see, do we have 5 volt? We have 5 volt. Okay, so what we want to do is quickly go to the schematic and see what is it that we are missing. So this is 820-00164. We want to see what is it that we are missing. We want to go to the power aliases page in it's gonna be page so there where it says power aliases, page 60. Let's go to page 60. So from here we can confirm what is it that we are missing, and that will guide us. Okay, ppbus, we confirm that ppbus is present. We are not going to worry about ppbus. We confirm ppbus that we're not going to worry about that. We're not going to worry about that. We're not worrying about that. ppdc, we're not worried. pp3b42, we're not worried. That is also present. PPVRTC, that is present. If that wasn't present, we would not find ourselves in SO state. PPVS5, that is definitely present. PPVS4 underscore R, that is also present. We confirm that at so we confirm that voltage where are you, so we confirm that voltage an inductor here, which is L7250. Yeah, we confirm that voltage is present. The next thing we want to see, PPVSO, we did confirm that is present by the fan connector. Let's just click on the fan connector again to, yeah, we did confirm that 5 volt is present at, okay, let's just copy, let's start from there. Let's copy, these are SO rails. Let's start from there. So we want to copy this and paste on our board view, see where it shows up, and then measure to see if we have that. Oh, Daniel software, it's messing with us again. Same thing. Okay, let's close it and open it up again. Okay, so we want to see if our 5 volt line is present. Did we copy that? Okay, yes. So where does it show up? It says shows up here. Yeah, we did confirm that we are 5 volt there. Let's just confirm that again at the fan connector, and that's 5 volt. Yes, okay, that's fine. Let's move on. So we don't have to worry about all of that. 5 volt is present. Let's move on. The next one is PPV3 underscore S5. That is definitely present. If that wasn't present, we would not have ourselves in SO. P3 underscore S4, that is also present. If that was not the case, we would not be in SO. So, but then we just confirm that, even though it's pretty obvious that it's definitely present. Let's confirm that. So we can check for that here or on the other side of the board. A lot of places we can check for it. So let's check for it at R5620. R5620 is going to be R5620 is going to be this guy here. Wait, is that okay? And it's not present. Okay, interesting. V3. Oh yeah. Okay, yeah. That's the that's the yeah. Yes, that's coming from definitely, yeah, U8050. But there's something There's something that is heating up here. What is heating up? Okay, something is heating up here, and that's okay. Let's see, something is heating up there. Let's add flux and see what is it. Okay, let's see what is heating up there first, because we get something that is heating up. But first and first, let's see, do we have a short on that line first? Yes, we do have a short on that line. Let's remove that inductor to find out where the short is, if it's on this side or on the other side. Okay, let's see what side is our short. Is it right or left? So it's on this side. This side we don't have a short. Okay, if it's on that side, we are looking at what and what? We're looking at C7822, C7821. What else? Pretty much. Okay, let's remove those. Let's remove both C78, 22, and 21. Okay, border out. Let's see, do we have a short on either of them? No short. No short. Interesting. Uh, okay, let's see, do we still have a short on the line? Yeah. So what else is left? Okay, Q C7825. Okay, let's take that out. Okay, let's see, do we have a short on that one? And we don't. Okay, does it mean our short is on this other side? That's not good, because that is the RAM side. That's the RAM side. Okay. Oh, I see. Okay, this is definitely our problem. This guy here, that is going to be our problem. Okay. Let's remove that. We didn't see that before. Okay, that's out. Let's see, do we still have a short? Okay, our short is gone. Let's put back those caps. Before we do that, okay, let's put back the inductor. Okay, what's the we will be putting back the inductor as well as where's the inductor? Okay, here, there you go. Okay, let's put those caps. Let's put those components back. Okay. We had a short and now 1.5 volt, 1.8 volt, and now the short is gone. Okay, let's just confirm that indeed our short is gone. Okay, our shot is gone. Let's see. Do we have a fan spin now, at least? I mean, give us a fan spin. Peter needs to go home. Give us a fan spin. At least because of Peter. Ah. Now Peter needs to go home. Okay, so now we have a fan spin. So that was quite an interesting one. So it took us for a spin. We went east, west, south, north, all over the place. Okay, so now we can see that the board is starting. Let's see if we have something on our screen. See, do we at least we posting? It's quite a spin. Sorry, Peter, soon you will leave close, and then you don't have to be in a hurry to. As soon as possible. Okay, let's see. Do we have? Is our device booting? I mean, we did have issues on the RAM, so we want to know if we need to replace one of the RAM chip. Do you have anything on the screen? Okay, yeah, we seem to have image. Yes, okay, that looks good. Okay, yeah, that looks good. So what we're gonna do now is basically clean the board, and that will be it. And yeah, that's pretty much what it is. The repair is complete. We are going to clean the board. Peter is super late. He needs to go home, so we're just going to clean the board. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.